Get involved with one of Canada's largest youth programs, the Royal Canadian Air Cadets, a program developing leadership and citizenship, promoting physical fitness, and stimulating an interest in aviation. Are you interested in helping spread opportunities to youth and sharing your skills and knowledge? Become a CIC officer and supervise, administer, and train teenaged youth at Air Cadet Squadrons. This is a paid position with training provided by the Department of National Defence. Work is an average of 1 evening and 1 weekend day per week, with job opportunities during summer at training centres throughout Canada. The minimum criteria is you must be 19 to 65 years old, have a high school diploma or higher, and be a Canadian citizen. Become a CIC officer today for a program giving opportunities to youth.